5 basic things we need for human beings to survive. The first thing we need to survive is food, right? The absence of food would be called starvation. And how long do you think that you can live without food? Maybe days, perhaps weeks, right? The second thing that we need is oxygen, air. And the absence of that is called what? Suffocation. And so how long can you live without air? Maybe 2 to 3 minutes, something like that. The third thing we need is water, hydration, right? So the absence of that is called dehydration. And how long can you survive without water? Well, generally maybe a couple of days at most. The fourth thing that we need is rest, is sleep, right? And without that, we get exhaustion. And how long can we live without sleep? Days or weeks at most, right? But the fifth thing we need, and the thing that most people just don't think about very much, is power. And when I talk about power, I talk about the connection of the brain to the body, that innate force that allows the body to heal, that innate force that allows the body to function, for you to move your arms, for your heart to beat, for your lungs to breathe, for you to utilize the building blocks of the food, for you to utilize the oxygen that you are transporting through your body through breathing and through exercise. So power is that connection between the brain and the body, and that gets interrupted when your spine isn't functioning well. And that's where chiropractic comes in. Our job is to allow the brain and the body to be connected, because that power source is needed. And without that power source, the other 4, food, water, oxygen, and sleep, none of that will matter. Because without the power, you literally can't live, not even for a second. And so that's what chiropractic is really all about, connecting your brain to your body. I hope that helps.